Acids, bases and salts. Let's see what is neutralization reaction. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. Example, HCl plus NaOH, both are aqueous. We get NaCl plus H2O. Here, this is salt. Another example, KOH plus HCl will give KCl, which is salt, plus H2O. Now, let's see what happens when metal oxides reacts with acid. So, metal oxide plus acid gives salt plus water. It means metal oxides are basic in nature because base plus acid gives salt and water. Examples like Na2O plus HCl gives NaCl, which is salt, plus H2O. Now, let's take example of non-metal oxides. So, non-metal oxides plus base, we get salt and water. What does this mean? What is nature of non-metal oxides? If this is base, this must be acid. So we can say that non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Example, if we take calcium hydroxide and this is base, and non-metal oxide like CO2, this gives CaCO3 plus H2O. So here it is salt. So this must be acidic. Let's go to next section. What do all acids and all bases have in common? So HCl, if we dissolve it in water, we will get H plus Cl minus. Now take H2SO4. So when dissolved in water, it will give H plus SO4 double minus. Take HNO3. So when dissolved in water, it gives H plus NO3 minus. It means all acids have H plus ions. And when dissolved in water, these H plus ions cause the conduction of electric current. Now, these H plus ions are also responsible for ionic properties. Let's take some examples of bases. So, in case of bases, suppose we take example of NaOH. So, it breaks into Na plus plus OH minus BaOH whole twice, which is base. So it breaks BaOH minus CaOH whole twice. This also breaks into Ca double plus and OH single minus double plus. So we can say that all bases have OH minus common, and this is the cause of ionic properties, or when dissolved in water and electric current is passed. So these are the ions, OH minus ions, which are responsible for conduction of electric current, similar to H plus ion. Now, let's consider the formation of hydronium ion. So, H3O plus. So let's take example. HCl, when dissolved in water, then what happens? It forms H3O plus, which is hydronium ion, plus chlorine. Hydrogen ion cannot exist alone, but they exist after combining with water molecule. Thus, hydrogen ions must always be shown as H plus aqueous. It is necessary to show H plus as aqueous, or H3O plus hydronium ion. That is, we generally write like H plus combines with H2O gives hydronium ion. Now we can see that when base is dissolved in water, then it gives OH minus ion. So let's take some example, like NaOH, suppose it is in solid form and dissolved in H2O, then we will get Na plus aqueous and plus OH minus aqueous. Some other examples like KOH, when dissolved in water, H2O, it gives K plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous. One more example, MgOH whole twice, when dissolved in water, it gives Mg double plus, which is aqueous in aqueous medium, and twice of OH aqueous. Thank you.